Hello, students! Welcome to our cognitive fair, the Zoo of Learning. Come and join us. Let's explore the beauty from within with fun and exciting games. Sit back, relax, watch and listen, for we are now going to begin.
Hey, have you ever wondered how our brains process certain information? We all know that our memory is in charge of digesting vast amounts of information. Images, sounds, and meaning can all be used to represent the data. And there are various levels of memory. To begin, memory encoding. When information enters our memory systems through sensory input, it must first be translated into a format that the system can understand before being stored. Second, memory storage. This refers to the characteristics of memory stores, including where the data is stored, how long it lasts, how much data can be saved at any given time. The third stage is memory retrieval. This has to do with getting data out of the storage. Now that we understand how memory works, we can move on to the game's general instructions.
15 seconds will be the allotted time for the viewing of each picture, and after, you will be asked 4 random questions within 10 seconds in connection with what you have seen.
How well do you remember things? Let's get started.
Memorize the picture. First question. How many animals did you notice? The answer is 6. Second question. What color does the elephant have? The answer is sky blue. Third question. A red rose is in the monkey's hands. The answer is false. Fourth question. The giraffe and zebra are standing side by side. The answer is false.
Memorize the picture. How many objects did you notice? 6. What was on the top row right side? Flip-flops. The beach umbrella and the sunglasses are next to each other. False. The ice cream was on the bottom row left side beside the sunglasses. True.
Memorize the picture. First question. How many fruits did you see? That's correct. It's letter A, 6. Second question. Where was the watermelon? That's correct. It's letter C, bottom row center. Third question. The avocado and the apple are beside each other. That's correct. It's a letter B. False. Fourth question. What's the name of the fruit in the upper right corner? That's correct. It's letter B. Lemon. Congratulations! You've completed the game.
Now, where did memory process happen in that game? So, before that, let me define the stages in memory process. Encoding is known as an initial learning of information. Storage is responsible for maintaining the information over time. Retrieval happens when you access the information because you need it. So back to the game. When did memory process happen? Great! You got that right! Encoding happened when you first looked at the picture. At that moment, you were looking at the initial information. Now, what about storage?
Storage happened when we started to keep the initial information we got. We tried to keep it as much as you did, and that is the process called storage. And now for the last stage of memory process. When did retrieval happen? Retrieval happened during the time when you are asked with questions. You tried to regain or recover the information because you needed it in order to answer the questions being asked to you.
Thank you so much for watching our video. And for the summary, the memory is essentially the capacity of encoding, storing, and retrieving of information. There are processes are involved in memory, which are encoding, storage, and retrieval. All these processes are determined which something is forgotten or remembered. And without memory, we cannot learn anything. Also, the information involves both preserve and recover information, so it's essential to all learnings. And because of that, it can use as a tool to store and retrieve information that you learn.
Thank you for participating, everyone. We hope that all of you learned and had fun as you came with us to explore our zoo of learning. Always remember, everything goes from encoding to storage up to the end of retrieval. Bye-bye!